Hello and welcome to my online class economics. Dear students, I will discuss with you about the meaning of economics and the difference between the microeconomics and macroeconomics. Students, what is economics? Economics is a part of social science. Economics is a study of human behavior in which basically we study about the resources that have alternative uses. Students, basically there are peoples and people need resources to fulfill the desire. These resources cannot be infinite, but the desires can be unlimited. Since all wants cannot be satisfied due to scarcity of resources, we face the problem of choice. Economics studies this problem of choice. So, what we can say? We can say that economics is a science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ins and scarcity resources which have alternative uses. Students, in economics we discuss about the production, distribution and consumption of wealth and with the various related problems of labor, finance, taxation, etc. So we can say that the scope of economics is not small. The subject matter of economics is too large and the subject matter of economics is increasing day by day. The student, after knowing the meaning of economics, now I discuss about the meaning of microeconomics and macroeconomics. Since the subject matter of economics is growing day by day, we can divide the subject matter of economics into two parts. One is called microeconomics and another is called macroeconomics. Students, the term microeconomics is derived from the Greek word micros, whose meaning is small, and the term macroeconomics is derived from the Greek words macros, whose meaning is large. So, the scope of microeconomics is small and the scope of macroeconomics is large. Microeconomics studies the behavior of individual agents and markets, while the macroeconomics studies the behavior of entire economy. Microeconomics deals with the analysis of small individual units of the economy such as individual consumer, individual producer, market. On the other hand, macroeconomics concerns itself with the analysis of the economy as a aggregate or as a whole, such as national income, total employment, aggregate demand, aggregate supply. So student, what we learn? We learn that economics is a social science in which we study about the human behavior. Basically, in economics, we study about the unlimited wants, limited resources, and alternative uses of the resources which create a problem of choice in an economy. Again, we learned that the subject matter of economics has been divided into two parts, microeconomics and macroeconomics. The term microeconomics deals with the analysis of small individual units of the economy such as individual consumers, individual firms, and small aggregates or groups of individual units. On the other hand, macroeconomics concerns itself with the analysis of the economy as a whole and its large aggregates such as total national income, total employment, aggregate demand, aggregate supply. Microeconomics is the study of particular firms, particular households, individual price, incomes, individual industries, and particular commodities. But macroeconomics deals not with individual quantities as such, but with aggregate of these quantities, not with the individual incomes, but with the national income, not with the individual price, but with the price level, not with the individual output, but with the national output. So students, hope you will understand the topics. I will meet you tomorrow with a new topics. Thank you very much.